So for this week's video, we're going to peg the geek meter a little bit, and we're going to open up an air handler and show you what's inside. So we'll probably speed the video up here while I take all these screws out. Okay, so I can't take the door completely off because of our condensate lines here, but let's just kind of go through and see what we see here. So we're going to start on the supply end here. So what you see is we've got a control board, we've got a transformer in here, we got our heat strips in here. This is the control section of the unit. This is our blower motor, okay? This is the heartbeat of your system. Airflow is everything. If you don't learn anything else from these series of videos that we do, airflow, airflow, airflow. So this is the heartbeat of your system. It runs whether you're in cooling, heating, or just circulating air. Here you can see they have an accessory installed. This is called a GPS. It's an ionizer. It's an air cleaner. Really good for eliminating odors. It kills bacteria, viruses, mold, mildew. So great for treating the entire duct system and whatever that duct system serves. We'll do another video on those later in this series. All right, over here, we've got our coil. All right, this is our heat exchanger. So this is where all the magic happens. This is where we remove heat or add heat to the system depending on which mode that we're in. In this situation, this one's all aluminum, so there's no formicary corrosion issues on this system. Down here, drain pan. This is where all the condensate, when we're in the cooling mode, this coil will sweat, just like a cold glass of tea sitting out on the kitchen counter in the middle of summer. So it's going to sweat. This collects our condensate in our pan here, and then it leaves our condensate, comes through our condensate line, and then heads to wherever that termination is. In this situation, I think it terminates outside. Down below the unit, you got your emergency drain pan. This is here just in case if this were to ever clog up and any of the safeties were to fail, this would catch the water before it damaged the room or the ceiling or anything down below. And of course, we've got an emergency float switch here. This ensures that if this fills up with water, it will shut the entire system down. So there's kind of the nuts and bolts, the guts, the fun facts of an air handler.